I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Cupace app. First, launch the Cupace application on your device. You will then choose a photo from your gallery to begin editing. Next, tap the Cut Face feature, which allows you to outline any part of the image. Carefully trace around the face or object you want to extract, using the magnifying glass for accuracy. Once satisfied, confirm your selection to create a clean cutout. Achieving a perfect cutout is simple with Cupace's precision tools. You can zoom in closely on your image for intricate details, ensuring every edge is just right. If you make a mistake, the Erase tool helps you clean up any unwanted parts, and the Restore function brings back anything you accidentally removed. Once your cutout is flawless, save it to your face gallery, ready for countless creative projects. Now that you have your perfect cutout, it's time to get creative. Choose a new background image from your gallery where you want to paste your element. Simply tap on your saved cutout from the face gallery to place it onto the new photo. You can easily resize, rotate, or mirror the pasted item to fit seamlessly. Feel free to add more cutouts, fun stickers, or custom text to truly personalize your creation. After all your creative work, it's time to finalize your masterpiece. Take a moment to review your edited image, ensuring everything looks exactly as you envisioned. When you are completely happy, simply tap the Save icon to store your new photo directly to your device's gallery. Cupace also offers convenient options to share your creation instantly across popular social media platforms. Get ready to impress your friends with your unique photo editing skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.